Hey guys, welcome to KB Tutorials. So I developed this small workflow. Let's see what is going to show us. So as you can see now, it is now you can see this slider bar, right? It is changing, right? So this is what we are going to implement in this tutorial. So it is nothing but slider automation. So to do this, what I am using is I am using send hotkeys method and a little bit of logic that I am applying that I am going to show in this video. So first of all, let me take one sequence. Let me take it something like slider automation. Okay, then let me open the browser. So this is browser which I am going to set as Chrome browser and give the path where you want to. So this is my path, Flipkart. Then here, first of all, we need to go and type into this in order to get the slider, right? So in the search bar, what I'll do is type into, select that search bar and apply, give something like mobiles here, mobiles, and to get the results, simply instead of clicking on search, I'll give enter. That should work. Where is the enter? This is the enter. Okay. So let's see how it's working. Then we'll see how to implement the slider. Okay. So whatever the Chrome instances are there, let's close that and run this now. Now you could see this is loading, right? So we got this one. This we are going to automate. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to apply click function. Select the bar that you wanted. So this is a slider bar, right? So this is my slider bar. Cool. Then I want to perform this repetitively. If I want to perform repetitively, I can use a do while loop here. Do while loop. Just send this one into this loop and apply send hotkeys. So this will be like down. Then how many times you wanted to do? Actually, this one I am doing down, right? So that perform that we can do with a click also. Let's try that at the end of this. Let's see how we can get. First, let me implement this. I'm not sure whether I'll get that or not. So how many times I want to repeat? I want to repeat it. Let's say like some 5 times. So I have taken this and default value as, let's keep it as 0, and at each increment you wanted it to increment the value. So let's give something like counter is equal to counter plus 1. Then in the condition, let me keep Zen5. Okay, let's see what we are going to get now. Now you can see browser started loading. It is going to the mobiles. Yes, searched. Now you could see the values are keep changing, right? So your browse, I mean to say here your slider functionality is working. You got right. Set each value each price is getting displayed. Okay, so instead of 5, what I'll do is like, let me keep it somewhere like 3, and let me execute that and see my my slider is working properly or not. It's a very small demo, guys, so I hope it's informative for you guys, and do try this. Yeah, it's little bit tricky. Now you could see it's changing, right? So at each and every level the values are being changed. Okay, to do that, to see those changes, you can simply apply some delay here, delay activity, to see those changes properly. Now just to see those changes are happening properly or not. And after this I'll try to implement without send keys. Not sure whether that's going to work or not, but I'll give it a try. And do watch all the videos in the playlist, guys. There were close to 120 videos. Now you could see it is taking some time, then it will click. I think I have given so much of time. I given so much of delay here. Because of that it is taking even more time. So let me close this. I know it's working properly, but I want to show you with other aspect as well. Let me close this, and instead of send keys here, what I'll do is I'll click here. There is something called down here. Click type is click down. Let me try to run this now and see whether we can achieve the same performance or not. Yeah, it is. We have achieved the same performance. So in a way both are same. Okay. So I hope it's informative for you guys. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.